In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your QuickBooks Online Company ID. This process is straightforward, so let's dive right in and make it as easy as possible. To begin, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks account. Once you've successfully logged in, you're in the QuickBooks environment, which is where all the magic happens. Now, let's navigate over to the Settings menu. The Settings menu serves as your hub for controlling various aspects of your QuickBooks account. Typically, you can find it under a gear icon, which is consistent with many software applications. It's a design choice that helps users quickly identify settings options within any application. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll need to locate the Additional Info section. This section is crucial as it's where your company ID is stored. Navigating these menus correctly is important, so take your time to ensure you're in the right place. Go ahead and click on the Additional Info to proceed. This action will direct you to a screen where your company ID is viewable. The company ID is a unique number assigned to your account and is something you'll need whenever you're required to provide your business information to other services or applications integrated with QuickBooks. It's not just another number. It serves as a key identifier for your business in various processes. So, make sure to take note of this number to avoid complications down the line. Here's a useful tip. You might find it helpful to write down your company ID or save it in a secure digital note for future reference. Having it on hand will save you from having to repeat this process each time you need it. Once you've noted your company ID, you can go ahead and click OK. This final step will confirm your actions and bring you back to the previous screen. And that's it. You've successfully located your QuickBooks Online Company ID. This ID is essential for identifying your unique business account within QuickBooks. It's beneficial for various tasks, including ensuring that integrations with other platforms go smoothly and verifying your business account with QuickBooks support if needed. Remember to keep this number confidential and stored securely to protect your business data. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to find your QuickBooks Online Company ID. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials to enhance your QuickBooks experience. Keep on top of your business operations with ease. And remember, QuickBooks is here to make managing your finances intuitive and convenient. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.